All right, we'll go ahead and get started. As I noted at the start, this is about the new Genesys Cloud Workspace. There has been some enhancement in Genesys Cloud under Performance, where you will see a new Workspace View. So let's get into it. You'll notice there are two logged in sessions of Genesys Cloud on my screen. I will show you the current view, which is on the right of the screen. Under Performance, we will see the list of views that is currently available to you. Then on the left of the screen, we will take a look at Performance, where we will check out the Workspace view. You will see here the same views are present, but they are grouped under specific headings to make it a little easier for you to navigate. So let's have a look on the right of the screen under Performance. Click on Performance and you'll see the list of views that's available to you currently in your Genesys Cloud org. So I'll click on that to minimize it. And on the left of the screen, there is a slight difference. If I click on Performance, you'll see this is a short version of the list. And the one that I was talking about is the Workspace view. So if I click on the Workspace view, you'll see this is going to load up. I'll just make the screen a little bit bigger for you. And the other bit that I said, that they are grouped under their specific headings. You will see there's contact center, dashboards, employee engagement, flows, my performance, other, speech and text analytics. Let's take a look at one of the views that we use the most. So to select a view, click its name, choose activity, selected, wait for the view to load up. This is what you can see. And at the top there, you can see it says queues activity. Now, if I want to go into the performance, I click on performance. And you can see that the name changes at the top there, and it is now queue performance. Wait for it to load up. There we go. And if I want to have a look at the stats for the day before, see you still can toggle for 11th of Jan, and it will come up with the stats. Here we are with the stats for the 11th of Jan. If I need to add a new tab for a new view, I'll be clicking on the little plus at the top there. It says as soon as you hover over it, it says create new tab. Click on the plus, and you see that it's created a new workspace. And then to load up another view, click a name on it. For example, we'll go to the interactions view, which is another mostly used view. Wait for it to load up. Here we go. There's all the interactions that's been happening on the 12th of Jan. On the right, you still have all the controls that you want, especially the one that we use most. The filters are all the same. And if you want to add another view, hover over it, click on the plus, you can see it says create new tab. And for example, let's have a look at our dashboards, which has been moved to a dashboard workspace view. So when you click on it, it should load up all the dashboards that you have. Here we are with all the dashboards. If I want to go and select one of the dashboards, click on the view dashboards. Once the dashboard is loaded, you can see all the stats that you've configured against the dashboard that you have. All right, so now let's go ahead and try and save one of the views. For example, this is the wallboard that I use the most, and I want to save that. You notice that there's the 3 dots there. So if I click on the 3 dots, click on the save as, and take note of that, saying my wallboard, save it, because this is the view that you use the most. Yep, now that is saved. And for example, I want to save the interactions view as well. So for me to do that, I need to go to the interactions view. By clicking 3 dots over here, you won't be able to save it. So you have to be on the current tab and click on the 3 dots, click save, and say my interactions view, and hit the save button. And that now has a saved view for your My Interactions. so now to view the save views, you'll have to go back to the initial default workspace view by clicking on the plus again. So that should load the performance workspace view. And now on the right here, you can see all the saved views that we've saved. So if you want to go and have a look at your interactions view that you've saved, click on it, and that should load up the interactions view for you. As you can see here, that's for the 11th of Jan. If I want to go and load up another view, which is my wallboard, click on the plus again, which I just did, and click my wallboard, and you'll be taken straight into the wallboard that you have created. And here we go. The other cool thing about this, if you've got all your views over here, and for example, you go to admin, come back to my performance, click on the workspace, your views should still be as is once it's loaded up. Here we go, same views. The other cool thing about this is if you log out and log back in, the views should still appear as it was the last time you logged out. All right, so that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching.